In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a background to all slides in Canva, effortlessly giving your presentation a consistent look. Whether you're crafting a presentation for work, school, or any other project, maintaining a cohesive design throughout your slides is crucial, and Canva makes this process smooth and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening your design file in Canva, where you have all your slides ready. Once you have your project open in the editor mode, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a grid icon. Clicking this grid icon is essential because it will display all your slides in a grid view, making it easier for you to manage and navigate through each slide as you apply the background change. Now, to choose the specific slide whose style you want to replicate across all others, simply right-click on that particular slide. This will bring up a context menu with several options. It's important to ensure this slide has the exact background style you want to apply to all your slides because we will use it as a template. Next, from the options in the context menu, you'll want to click on Copy Page Style. This action will copy the chosen slide's styling, which includes its background among other design elements, to the clipboard. Remember, this step ensures that we have captured the slide style we wish to apply district-wide, or rather slide-wide. With the page style now copied onto your clipboard, the next step is to select all of your slides. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard, which is a handy shortcut to select everything in Canva. If you're using a Mac, this would be Command and A. Once all slides are selected, right-click again to bring up the context menu once more. Here you'll find various options similar to before, but what you're looking for this time is Paste Page Style. Clicking Paste Page Style is the final step, and essentially it rolls out the previously copied style onto every slide you've selected. This action effectively sets the background to match the style of your chosen template slide, ensuring uniformity across your presentation, and there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully applied a background to all your slides using Canva. This small yet impactful change can greatly enhance the visual appeal and professionalism of your presentation. Remember, consistency is key in design, and frequently updating your template's background keeps your message clear and cohesive. Enjoy your designing, and thank you for watching.